Over half the drivers in the US are experiencing this, and you're probably one of them. That's why you're watching this video now. So we're going to go over the top 5 reasons your insurance premiums on your auto policy are going up. Hey guys, Melissa here. Before we begin, I want to remind you that I am licensed in the state of Florida with my 440 and 215. That means I can sell auto, home, life, and health insurance. But today, we're talking about auto insurance because a lot of us are experiencing that premium increase. You might have gotten a letter or looked at your recent bill to realize they want you to pay a little more per month or per 6 months, per year, however you have it set up. And I'm going to tell you why today. Number 5, you might have had a household change. It's possible you've got a new young driver listed on your policy, or maybe you've hit that age where you're considered a little more of a higher risk because you're older now. See, if you're older than 25, younger than 50, then you're going to get the best rate age-wise. But if you're a younger driver and your company doesn't offer any discounts to lower that premium, lower that risk a little bit that you're paying for, or maybe you're an older driver and you haven't taken a defensive driving course, yeah, you're going to see those rates go up. Number 4, you got a new vehicle. First of all, congratulations. However, there are some vehicles that are rated more of a risk than others because they've been in more accidents. Think of the Honda Civic. I'm sure you've seen a lot of these on the road where they look like they're ready to race. Unfortunately, those are in more accidents than others. And then you have the Kias and the Hyundais. If you haven't heard about it yet, there is a viral video online showing people how to break into these and get them started with as little as a pen or a screwdriver. Insurance companies found out, and they are either company canceling or raising the premiums on those specific vehicles. They're just too risky. Therefore, they want more money to insure that risk. Fun fact, Toyotas are one of the safest and cheapest to insure vehicles. Number 3, and I see this one quite often. Just you have to call your agent, talk to your agent, ask them why. And this could be the reason. You lost a discount. It happens. Maybe you've been in an accident, so you've lost your safe driving discount. Maybe you've removed an extra vehicle that gave you a multi-car discount, or sold your house or moved. You don't have that home insurance anymore. You lost the multi-line discount. It could be your insurance company offers a discount for auto pay. Personally, I don't think you should be charged any extra depending on how you pay your bill. My company doesn't do that, and if you'd like a free quote from me, my email is in the description. But the biggest reason that I see a lot of our clients lose a discount is that low mileage discount. They're just driving more often now than they were a couple years ago with COVID. Makes sense, right? Well, because you're on the road more often, you're a higher risk, therefore your premiums are going to be higher, they're going to increase. Number 2, you had a new ticket or an accident. It happens, and that's okay. All we can do is just get back on the road, continue to drive as safe as possible. However, when your policy comes up for renewal, whether you're a 6-month or a year term, they're going to run the motor vehicle report again. They're going to look at your loss history again. And if there's anything new on there, your premium's going to change. So if you were in an at-fault accident, you're going to see that increase when it's time to renew. If you had a speeding ticket, a reckless driving ticket, any of this can change your premium. I want to briefly mention no-fault accidents real quick, because if you've had one of those, your premium should not increase. Now, I say should not because my company, one no-fault accident, it won't, but I can't speak for everyone. Now, if you've had multiple at-fault accidents in a short period of time, then yeah, the insurance company is going to see you as a little risky because you're not a defensive driver. You're not anticipating other moves. You're not keeping yourself as safe as you could. So just keep that in mind. Drive as safe as you can. But the number one reason that most of us are seeing a rate increase, and I say most of us because I am part of this number. My rates went up as well. Was I in an accident? No. Did I lose a discount? No. My drivers didn't change. I didn't get a new car. The cost of living increased. That's right. Insurance companies are affected as well. It's not just the eggs at the grocery store, it happens to everybody. In order for an insurance company to put a rate increase through, they have to request it from the insurance commissioner in whatever state you're in. The commissioner reviews their request and they will either approve or deny it. So the insurance company is asking for a specific percentage overall. For instance, my company took the first one in years earlier this year, and it was an 8% increase overall. That means some people saw no increase while others saw maybe 8, 16, all averages out for all of the policyholders to 8%. Other companies, there's one company, I will not call them out, but if you're interested, leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer it there. But there's one company, they took 2 rate increases last year, one in August, one in October. And then this year in February, they took another one. So last year, it was 4%, 16%. This year, guys, they took 22%. You've got others that are asking for 15. It's a lot of money. So if you need a free quote to make sure that you're getting the best deal possible, reach out to me. If you're in Florida, I'll be happy to give you that free quote. If you're not in Florida, shop around. Call another agent in your area. We are always happy to answer any questions you have to give you a free quote. So if you have any questions about your premium increase, again, in the comments, I will answer you right away. And until next time, guys, take care of yourself. Read over your policy, and I will see you later.